What if I told you there's a number, one specific number that breaks this loop forever? Not at 65, not someday. A real calculable number. Your number.
This is the story we were all told. Go to school, get a job, work for 40 years, then, finally, you get to live your life. By the time you're 65, your knees hurt, your back hurts. Half your bucket list needs a body that's 35. And here's the part nobody warns you about.
At safe withdrawal rates that last maybe 5 or 6 years. The system was never designed to free you, it was designed to keep you working. The average person hitting retirement age has under $90,000 saved. So the real question, the one nobody asks, is this.
Their finding was shockingly simple. If you invest your savings in a diversified portfolio, stocks and bonds, and withdraw only 4% of the total each year, your money will last 30 years. In many scenarios, it lasts forever, because the market grows faster than you spend.
That's the engine. Now here's the number it produces. It's stupidly simple. Take your annual expenses, what you spend in a year, and multiply it by 25. That's it. That's your freedom number.
Spend $30,000 a year? Your number is $750,000. Spend $50,000? $1.25 million. Spend $80,000? $2 million. Why 25? Because 25 is the inverse of 4%. Have 25 times your expenses, withdraw 4%, your portfolio stays alive, possibly grows. This number has a name. It's called your FIRE number. Financial independence, retire early. I know what you're thinking. What about inflation? What if the market crashes? What if I live to 100? Fair. Let's kill these objections one by one.
Inflation. Yes, it's real. But your portfolio is invested in the stock market. Historically, stocks return about 10% per year on average, about 7% after inflation. Your 4% withdrawal sits inside that 7% growth. Inflation is already eaten. Market crashes, 2008, the dot-com bust, the Great Depression. The Trinity study tested against all of them. The 4% rule survived every single one. The only way it fails? If you panic and sell. Living to 100? Honestly? Great problem to have. For extra safety, some people use 3.5% instead of 4%. That means saving 28 times expenses instead of 25. A small tweak, a massive safety net. And the proof it works? It's not theory. Thousands of real people have already done this. Some at 35, some at 40, a handful in their late 20s. Regular people, not Silicon Valley billionaires. People who learned the math and executed. Okay, you know the destination. Now let's map the road. Because your FIRE number might feel huge right now, overwhelming. So we break it into 5 milestones. Each one unlocks the next level. Your first $1,000. This isn't even investing yet. It's armor. $1,000 means a flat tire doesn't send you into debt. It breaks the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle. It's not glamorous, but it's the foundation everything else is built on.
$10,000. Now you're building real options. Studies show the jump from 0 to 10 grand creates the biggest psychological shift of any savings milestone. You stop feeling financially fragile. You start feeling powerful. $100,000. This is the milestone that changes the game, not because of what it is today, but because of what compounding does to it from here. At 7% average annual return, $100,000 becomes $200,000 in 10 years, without adding a single extra dollar. Before $100,000, you are pulling the engine. After $100,000, the engine pulls you. Halfway to your FIRE number.
At this point, you could stop contributing entirely and still hit your full number in 10 years from compounding alone. You're not grinding anymore, you're gliding.
Your full fire number. Work is now optional. Not, I think I'm okay. Not maybe. Mathematically, provably optional.
Okay, how long does this actually take? Here's the answer that surprises almost everyone. It has almost nothing to do with your income and everything to do with this one thing.
Your savings rate, the percentage of your income you save and invest. Watch what happens to your timeline as this number changes.
The math doesn't care if you make $40,000 or $400,000. A person making 40 grand who saves 50% reaches financial independence in 17 years. A person making 100 grand saving only 10% takes 40 years and retires with less.
Here's the beautiful simplicity hiding inside all this math. There are only two levers. That is literally it, two. Lever 1, spend less. Here's what people miss about this one. Every dollar you cut from your annual spending does two things simultaneously. 1, you need less money invested. 2, you have more money to invest right now.
Cut $5,000 a year in expenses? You just reduced your fire number by $125,000. That's not a rounding error. That's enormous.
Lever 2, earn more. Side income, a promotion, freelancing, learning a high-value skill. An extra $500 a month invested at 7% over 20 years is nearly $250,000. $500,000 over 30.
But here's the move that collapses the timeline. Pull both levers at the same time.
I want to be straight with you for a second. Most people who watch this video won't do anything with it. Not because they can't, because this requires something rare in today's world. Choosing the long game when everything around you is screaming, spend now, live now, flex now.
Financial independence isn't about being cheap. It's not about deprivation. It's not about living on rice and never going out. It's about this.
That shift from I have to work to I choose to work changes everything. The quality of your work, your relationships, your health, your entire life. And now you know the number that gets you there.
But here's the part of this video that most finance channels won't tell you. The twist. Almost every person who actually reaches financial independence keeps working anyway. Because it turns out the goal was never really to stop working. The goal was to stop being trapped. When you're free, work becomes something completely different. You stop doing it for money, you start doing it for meaning. The surgeon who no longer needs the paycheck but still shows up because she loves saving lives. The teacher who could retire but stays because the kids need him. The entrepreneur who already hit their number and builds something new just because they can.
That number doesn't buy you a life of doing nothing. It buys you a life where every yes is a real yes and every no is finally allowed to be a real no. That's what the number actually is. Not a retirement fund, a freedom fund.
You now know more about building real financial freedom than 95% of people alive. The question isn't whether it works. The question is, when do you start? If this video gave you something, a like takes 2 seconds and helps more people find it. And if you want to know exactly how to invest this money once you start saving, that video is right here. I'll see you in the next one.